What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're gonna go over MATIC as well as ethereum. Let me adjust my laptop a little bit here. Currently sitting at 65 cents. We're up 3.6 on the day. See a market cap of 6.07 billion, 25 on 406 million. So if we look at the chart of MATIC, we broke out from our wedge. What we're looking for is that wave 5. So potentially off that wave 4 low, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, potentially wave 3, but it's a little bit short, wave 4, wave 5 to take you up to the 618 target of 69 cents. But any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5. So it's doing exactly what we were looking for it to do and pushing up in that wave 5. And once we start to see that larger pullback, we will look for an entry for MATIC, and a signal will be given in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. As you can see, we are pushing up towards that resistance. We came very, very close at 69 cents. So we may look to push right up to that resistance before getting rejected. The 20 EMA is starting to catch up to the candles. We are trending into overbought territories. So it would be healthy to see some pullback relatively soon. Price of ethereum, same thing. We broke out of our wedge. Now we have to be careful here because we did break the wave 3 high. So if we were to come down and break that wave 4 low, then this impulse can be over. But if we're just coming back for a retest, we continue to bounce up, then our target will be 1945. As you can see, we hit our TP1 on our trade, so we're looking to push up to TP2. Even if we pull back first, I do not think we'll come all the way down to the stop loss, but instead just see that wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation up. But the normal target for a wave 5 is 1945, which is a 618. So we may just be pushing up for a little bit of a retest, something like this, leading diagonal wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To reach that wave 5 target at 1945. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at for MATIC and ethereum. We're currently killing it on Gala. We just closed our Sol trade for over 100% profit. Our Gala trade's up like over 60%, and we're in that ethereum trade as well. Signals are 10 bucks a month. Make sure to sign up to Bitinix, no KYC, no VPN. For my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. If you deposit $100, that's $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.